In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a board in Trello, a handy feature that can save you time and keep your work organized. Whether you want to replicate a project template or create a new version of an existing board, this process is straightforward. Let's dive into the steps. To get started, you'll need to navigate to your Trello homepage. Open your preferred web browser, visit the Trello website, and ensure you're logged into your account. Once you're at your Trello home, you will see a list of all your projects displayed as boards. Next, locate the specific board you want to duplicate. This could be any board within your workspace that you wish to copy. Click on the board to open it. Once the board is open, your next step is to look for the 3 vertical dots. These dots are typically found next to the Share button in the board's header area. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. In this menu, you'll find the option to copy board. Selecting this will open a new window that allows you to begin configuring your duplicated board. At this point, you're given the opportunity to assign a new title to this copied board. It's a good idea to think about a title that makes it distinct from the original so that you can easily recognize it later. After typing in your preferred title, move to the bottom of this window and click on the Create button. This action confirms your choice and finalizes the creation of your new board with exactly the same structure as the original, including the lists and cards unless you chose to exclude them by unchecking specific options elsewhere in the process. Now that you've successfully created your duplicate board, you might wonder how to access it. Return to your Trello dashboard by clicking the Trello icon located at the upper right corner of your screen. This icon typically resembles a blue square with a white T inside. Clicking it will take you back to your home page. On your home page, select Boards from the menu, and here you will see the newly created board among your existing boards. The duplication process is that simple. You now have an exact copy of your board, ready for you to use as you see fit. Duplicating boards in Trello is a great way to create consistent project templates or back up your existing work for safekeeping. Whether you're working solo or with a team, mastering this feature can streamline your project management efforts considerably. Enjoy the efficiency boost and happy organizing.